AI, how it will change everything. By 2030, imagine waking up in 2030 and your personal AI assistant has already planned your entire day, optimized your health routine, managed your finances, and even suggested opportunities to grow your income. Artificial intelligence will no longer be something you use occasionally. It will be something you live with every single day. The future of AI is not coming. It is accelerating, and by 2030 it will change everything we know about work, life, power, and humanity itself. Artificial intelligence has advanced faster than any technology in human history. In just a few years, AI moved from simple automation to systems that can write, speak, design, diagnose, predict, and create. By 2030, AI will be deeply integrated into every industry and every part of daily life. This is not a distant future scenario. It is a transformation already in motion. In this video, we explore how AI will reshape work, healthcare, education, business, creativity, governments, and human identity by 2030. Before we go deeper, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you stay ahead in a world that is changing faster than ever. AI and the future of work. By 2030, the concept of work will look completely different. AI will handle repetitive tasks such as data entry, customer support, logistics management, and basic analysis. This will free humans to focus on creativity, leadership, emotional intelligence, and strategic thinking. Offices will rely on AI systems to manage workflows, predict outcomes, and optimize performance. While some jobs will disappear, many more will evolve or be created. Roles like AI supervisors, prompt engineers, digital ethicists, and human-AI collaboration specialists will become mainstream. Freelancing and remote work will explode as AI tools allow individuals to compete globally. Those who learn how to work with AI instead of against it will dominate the future job market. Healthcare revolution powered by AI. Healthcare will experience one of the most dramatic transformations. By 2030, AI will detect diseases years earlier than traditional methods by analyzing patterns in data, scans, and genetic information. AI-powered diagnostics will reduce human error and improve accuracy. Robotic surgery assisted by AI will become safer and more precise. Virtual health assistants will monitor patients 24/7, reminding them to take medication, tracking vital signs, and alerting doctors before emergencies occur. In developing regions, AI-driven healthcare solutions will provide access to medical advice where doctors are scarce, saving millions of lives. Education in the AI era. Education will no longer be limited by classrooms or rigid curriculums. By 2030, AI-powered personalized learning will adapt to every student's pace, strengths, and interests. Each learner will have a digital tutor that explains concepts in multiple ways until they are fully understood. Teachers will shift from lecturing to mentoring, guiding students in critical thinking and creativity. Virtual reality combined with AI will allow students to explore historical events, scientific experiments, and complex simulations in immersive ways. Education will become lifelong, flexible, and accessible to anyone with an internet connection. AI in daily life. AI will quietly operate behind the scenes of everyday life. Smart homes will manage energy, security, and comfort automatically. AI assistants will plan schedules, manage emails, book appointments, and even support mental health by recognizing stress patterns. Transportation systems will rely heavily on AI to reduce accidents, traffic congestion, and pollution. Autonomous vehicles will become common, making travel safer and more efficient. Shopping, entertainment, and social interactions will be hyper-personalized, shaped by AI understanding individual preferences better than ever before. Business, economy, and money. By 2030, AI will be the backbone of global business. Companies will use AI to predict market trends, understand consumer behavior, and automate decision-making. Small businesses will gain powerful AI tools that once belonged only to large corporations, leveling the competitive landscape. In finance, AI will manage investments, detect fraud in real time, and optimize financial strategies. Digital currencies and AI-driven financial advisors will change how people save, spend, and invest money. Entrepreneurship will thrive as AI lowers barriers to entry and reduces operational costs. Creativity and human expression. One of the biggest myths is that AI will replace human creativity. In reality, AI will amplify it. By 2030, writers, designers, musicians, and filmmakers will use AI as a creative partner to brainstorm ideas, generate drafts, and experiment faster than ever. However, creativity will face new challenges. Questions about originality, ownership, and authenticity will rise. Society will need to redefine what it means to create in a world where humans and machines collaborate. True creativity will lie in vision, emotion, and meaning, areas where humans still lead. AI in government and society. Governments will increasingly rely on AI for policy analysis, public services, and infrastructure management. AI could improve disaster response, traffic systems, and resource distribution. However, this also raises serious concerns about surveillance, privacy, and power. By 2030, ethical AI governance will become critical. Laws and regulations must ensure transparency, fairness, and accountability. Without responsible oversight, AI could be misused for manipulation, control, or inequality. With the right balance, it could become a force for global progress. Risks, ethics, and responsibility. AI's rapid growth brings serious risks. Data privacy, bias, misinformation, and dependency on machines are real threats. If AI systems are trained on biased data, they can reinforce inequality. Deepfakes and AI-generated misinformation could challenge trust and democracy. The future of AI depends on human choices. Ethical development, global cooperation, and education will determine whether AI becomes a tool for empowerment or control. Responsibility must grow alongside capability. As we move closer to 2030, it is becoming clear that artificial intelligence will be one of the most powerful forces ever created by humanity. AI will not simply upgrade our tools, it will redefine how societies function, how economies grow, and how individuals find purpose in a rapidly changing world. From transforming jobs and healthcare to reshaping education, creativity, and governance, AI's influence will be deep, constant, and unavoidable. However, the future of AI is not already written. Technology itself is neutral. It is human intention, ethics, and responsibility that will determine whether AI becomes a force for equality, innovation, and progress, or a tool that deepens division and control. By investing in education, ethical development, transparency, and collaboration, humanity has the opportunity to guide AI towards solving some of the world's biggest challenges, including poverty, disease, climate change, and access to opportunity. The AI revolution is not waiting for anyone. The future belongs to those who prepare today. If this video gave you a deeper understanding of what's coming, like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel for more powerful insights about technology, the future, and the forces shaping our world. Stay informed, stay adaptable, and stay ahead.